welcome to today's session of Compiler Design. Today's class is LR parsing, the most prevalent type of bottom-up parser. Today is based on the concept of LR of K parsing. LR of K, L stands for left to right scanning of the input. The R for constructing a rightmost derivation in reverse, and the K for the number of input symbols and K for the number of input symbols of that are used to make parsing decision. The case K equal to 0 or K equal to 1 are of practical interest, and we shall only consider LR parser with K phi 1 here. When K is omitted, K is assumed to be 1. In bottom-up parser, try to find the rightmost derivation of the given input in the reverse order. At each shift action, the current symbol in the input string is pushed to a stack. At each reduction step, the symbol at the top of the stack will replace by the non-terminal at the left side of the production. There are also two more actions, accept and error. These are the two more actions. The shift reduce parser type to reduce the given input string into the starting symbol, that is starting symbol. At each reduce step, a substring of the input matching to the right side of a production rule is replaced by non-terminal at the left side of that production rule. If the substring is chosen correctly, the leftmost derivation of that string is created in the reverse order. As you are showing on the screen, the rightmost derivation and shift reduce parser finds like this. Shift reduce parser example. Capital S tends to small a, capital B and small b. Capital A tends to small a and a, small a. And capital B tends to small b, capital B and b, small b. We have to add R right sentential forms first and substring to be replaced at each reduction step. Here the input strings are small a, small b, followed by small a, capital A, small b. After reduction we get small a in the place of S, capital A, capital B and B as shown on the screen. The substring that matches the right side of the production rule, but not every substring match the right side of the production it handles. A handle of right sentential form of the production rule A tends to beta, and a position of gamma where the string beta may be found and replaced by capital A to produce as shown on the screen. The W is a string of terminals. Every right sentential form in the grammar has exactly one handle. The rightmost derivation in reverse can be obtained by handle pruning. Here, gamma n finds a handle of a n and beta n and replace beta n by a n to get gamma of n minus 1. To find the handle of capital A n minus 1, beta n minus 1 until we reach capital S, that is starting symbol S. The conical LR or just LR method, which makes full use of look ahead symbol capital S. That's why until we have to reach capital S, we have to repeat all the steps. This method uses a large set of items called the LR of 1 items. A look ahead LR or LARL method, which is based on LR of 0 set of items and has many few states than typical parser based on LR1. By carefully introducing look ahead into LR of 0 items, we can handle many more grammar with LAR. This is the example for shift reduce parser. Already we have done this example while I am taking the rightmost derivation. And coming to the implementation of stack for shift reduce parser, there are 4 possible actions of shift reduce parser. First one shift, second one reduce, third one accept, fourth one error. In the shift, the next input symbol is shifted onto the top of the stack. In reduce, replace the handle on the top of the stack by the non-terminal. In accept, successfully completion of parser. Error, parser discovers a syntax error and calls an error recovery routine. Initial stack just contains only the end maker of $. The end of the input string is made by the end maker $. Just observe once these rules. These 4 possible actions in shift parser by using stack implementation. This is the example for stack implementation in shift reduce parser. Already we have done this example in previous class. Just I am constructing parse tree here. During shift reduce parser, a conflict will come. Then there are context free grammar for each shift reduce parser cannot be used. Stack contains and the next input symbol may not decide the action. In shift config, whether make a shift operation or a reduction. In reduce config, the parser cannot decide which of the several reductions to make. If a shift reduce parser cannot be used for a grammar, that grammar is called as non-LR of K grammar, and it contains left to right scanning, rightmost derivation, and K look ahead. An ambiguous grammar can never be a LR grammar. An ambiguous grammar cannot be LR grammar. Shift reduce parser you are seeing on the screen. There are 2 main categories in shift reduce parser. Operator precedency parser. It is very simple but only a small class of grammars. LR parser covers wide range of grammar. SLR simple LR parser. Conical LR. Most general LR parser. LAR LR. Intermediate LR parser. SLR and CLR, LAR, LR work same, only their parsing table are different. We now introduce our last parser construction method, LAR technique. This method is often used in practice because the table obtained by it are considerably small than the console of LR table. LR parser are used to parse the large class of context-free grammar. This technique is called LR of K parser. L is left to right scanning of input, and R is for constructing rightmost derivation in reverse, and K is the number of input symbols of look ahead that are used in making parsing decision. There are three widely used algorithms available for constructing an LR parser. SLR of 1, it is a simple LR working on small classes of grammar. Few number of states, hence very small tables. And coming to LR of 1, LR parser, also called as conical LR parser, works on complete set of LR grammar, generate large table and large number of states, and it is very slow construction. And next one, this is about LR parser algorithm. And next one is LALR, look ahead LR parser. LALR also called as look ahead LR parser. It works on intermediate size of grammar. Number of states are same as SLR of 1. And the main reasons for attractiveness of LR parser is it handles a large class of context-free grammar and most general non-backtracking shift-reduce parser method. An LR parser can detect the syntax error as soon as they occur. LR grammar can describe more larger than LL grammar. Here in LR grammar there are some drawbacks. It is too much work to construct LR parser by hand. It's very much heavy work to solve a LR parser. It needs an automated parser generator. If the grammar contains ambiguities or other constructions, then it is difficult to parse in a left to right scan of input. And there are two actions, and there are two types of functions are there, action and go to. The parse program read character from an input buffer one at a time, where a shift reduce parser would shift a symbol and LR parser shift a state. Each state summarizes the information containing in the stack. And in action, this function takes as arguments a state I and a terminal A and a terminal small a. The value of action I comma A can have one of four forms. Shift J, where J is state, reduced by a grammar production A to beta, and after that accept it and find the errors. In goTo function, take states and grammar symbol as arguments and produce a state. If goTo I comma capital A is equal to capital I comma J, maps a state I and non-terminal capital A to state J. One collection of set LR of 0 item called the console LR of 0 collection provides finite automata that is used to make parsing decision. Such an automation is called as LR of 0 automation. And shift reduce parser that use 0 tokens of look ahead to determine what action to take. This means that in any configuration of parser, the parser must have an ambiguous action to choose. Either it shifts a specific symbol or applies a specific reduction. If there are ever two or more choices to make, the parser fails and the grammar is not LR of 0. An LR parser makes the shift reduce decision by maintaining states to keep track of parsing states, represent a set of items as shown on the screen. But we may introduce a reduce conflict during the string process for the creation of the states of LR parser. The construction of console LR of 0 argumented grammar is defined with two functions, closure and goto. If Z is a grammar with the start symbol capital S, then argumented grammar capital Z is with a new start symbol. The role of argumented production is to stop parsing and notify the acceptance of the inputs. Acceptance occurs when and only when the parser performs the reduction by S dash is greater than capital S. In shift reduce parser can shift and can reduce. In reduce config, the production can be reduced. SLR of 1 parsing increases the power of LR of 0 significantly. Look ahead tokens used to make parsing decision and reduce the action is applied more selectively according to follow set. A grammar SLR of 1 if two conditions are met in every state. Valuation of first condition result in shift reduce conflict. The parser can shift X and reduce B. LLR of 1 parser every more powerful than SLR of 1 is the LR of 1 parsing method. LR of 1 includes LR of 0 items and look ahead token in the item set. An LR of 1 item consisting of grammar production rules, right hand position presented by dot, look ahead token that represents how much of right hand side has been seen. X1, X2, Xi appear on the top of the stack. Xi plus 1 up to Xn are expected to appear on the input buffer. A look ahead L is expected after X1, X2, X up to Xn appear on the stack. An LR of 1 state is the set of LR of 1 items. And LALR stands for look ahead LR parser. This is extension of LR of 0 items by introducing one symbol of look ahead on the input. It supports large class of grammars. The number of states is LR parser is lesser than that of LR of 1 parser. Hence, LALR is performable as it can be used with reduced memory. Most syntactic construction of programming language can be started conveniently. Steps to construct LALR parser table. Generate LR of 1 items and find the items that have same set of first components and merge those sets into one. Merge the go-tos of combination items. Reverse the parse table of LR of 1 parser by replacing states. Reverse the parse table of LR of 1 parser by replacing states and go to with combination state and combine go to respectively. It repeat until the entire S will, capital S will find out. And coming to shift reduce parsing, the shift reduce parsing uses two unique steps for bottom up parsing. These steps are known as shift reduce and reduce steps. In shift step, it refers to the advancement of input pointer to the next input symbol, which is called as shifted symbol. This symbol is pushed on to the stack. The shifted symbol is treated as single node of the parse tree. And reduce step, when the parse finds a complete grammar rule and replaces it to known as reduce step. This occurs when the top of the stack contains a handle to reduce and pop function is performed on the stack, which pops of the handle and replace it with LHS non-terminal symbol. There are three algorithms widely used in LR parser: SLR, simple LR parser, and it works on smallest class of grammar, few number of states, hence very small table, simple and fast construction. LR of 1 LR parser works on complete set of LR of 1 grammar, generate large table and large number of states, slow construction. LALR, look ahead LR parser, works on intermediate size of grammar, number of states are same as SLR of 1. And let us differentiate about LL and LR parsers. In LR parser, it is leftmost derivation. In LR parser, it is rightmost derivation. In LL parser, starts with the root non-terminal on the stack, and in LR parser ends with the root non-terminal on the stack. LL ends when the stack is empty. LR starts with an empty stack. Use a stack for the designing what is still to be expected in LL. Use stack for the designing what is already seen in LR. In LL, builds the parse tree top down. In LR, parse tree is built in bottom up. In LL, pops a non-terminal off the stack and pushes the corresponding right hand side. In LR, tries to recognize a right hand side on the stack and pops it and pushes the corresponding non-terminal. Expands the non-terminals in LL and reduce the non-terminal in LR. Pre-order traverser of the parser in LL. Post-order traverser of the parse tree in LR. In LALR parser is same as CLR parser with one difference. In CLR parser, if two states differ only in look ahead, when we combine those two states in LALR parser, after minimization, if the parse table has no conflict, that the grammar is called as LALR also. coming to shifts the next point symbol and the states S on to the stack that indicates as S0, X1, S1 and up to so on Xm as shown on the screen. And reduce also you are seeing on the screen. In recursive descent is a top-down parsing technique that constructs the parse tree from the top and the input is read from left to right. Already we have discussed in previous classes. And it reads left to right. It uses procedure for every terminal and non-terminal entity. This parsing technique recursively parses the input to make a parse tree, which may or may not reduce required backtracking, but the grammar associated with it cannot avoid the backtracking if it is having. A form of recursive descent parser that does not require any backtracking is known as predictive parser. And you all know what is backtracking. Top-down parser starts from the root node and match input strings against the production rules to replace them. You have already done the examples also in previous sessions for backtracking and predictive parser. Predictive parser is a recursive descent parser which has the capacity to predict which production is to be used to replace the input string. The predictive parser does not suffer from backtracking. To accomplish its tasks, the predictive parser uses a look-ahead pointer which point to the next symbol, next input symbol to make the parser backtracking free. The predictive parser puts some constraints on the grammar and accepts only a class of grammars known as LL of K grammar. Already we have discussed what is LL of K grammar. Once again I am repeating what is LALR parser because tomorrow class starts with LALR parser, and also I show you the problems how to solve. I give you problems for homework. This is not a problematic class today. This is only theoretical class. Don't worry if you don't understand also. I will repeat each and every rule of what we have seen in today's class in after sessions while I am trying to solve the problems. I again tell you these all rules by applying on the problems. Once again I am repeating LALR parser. LALR stands for look ahead LR parser. This is the extension of LR of 0 items. By introducing the one symbol of look ahead on the input, it supports large class of grammars. The number of states is LALR parser is lesser than that of LR of 1 parser. Hence LALR is preferable as it can be used with reduced memory. Most syntactic construction of programming language can be started conveniently. The steps of construction LALR parser table is generate LR of 1 items, Find the items that have same set of first component and merge these sets into one. Merge the go-tos of combined items and reverse the parsing table of LR of one parser by replacing states and go to with combination of states and combine go to respectively. Each time we have to repeat these steps until we reach S start symbol. This is about today's class. And you all know an LR of 0 parser is shift reduce parser that uses 0 tokens of look ahead to determine what action to be taken. That means any configuration of the parser, the parse must have ambiguous actions to those either it shift a specific symbol or applied a specific reduction if there are ever two or more choices to make it. The parser fails and the grammar is not LR of 0. An LR parser makes shift reduce decisions by maintaining states to keep track of parsing state. Represents a set of items. This is about LR of 0 parser or SLR of 1 parser. We have seen. Tomorrow we see LR of parser algorithm, how to implement and how to solve problems on LR of 1 LR parser. You all know in today's session action, go to and behavior of LR parser. You all know what is action. The function takes as argument a state I and terminal small a. The value of action is I comma a can have one of the four forms. Shift of j where j is the state. Reduce by grammar production a to b, capital A to b. And finally the third step accept and fourth step is error. Go to function takes the states and grammar symbol as argument and produce a state. If go to I comma a also maps the states I and non-terminal capital A to Z. You all know the reasons of attractiveness of LR parser. LR parser can handle a large class of context-free grammars. LR parser method is the most general non-backtracking shift-reduce parser method. An LR parser can detect the syntax error as soon as they can occur. The LR grammar can describe more languages than LL grammar. Backtracking of LLR parser. Backtrack drawbacks you all know, already we have discussed. Already we have discussed bottom up parsing, all these screens. Just see once. You all know shift reduce parsers, stack implementation, parse tree construction using stack implementation, complete during parse tree shift, LR parser, reduce actions, SLR parse table, LR parse table, LR of 0 table, closure operations, go to operation you all know. I tell you these problems in tomorrow sessions. I hope you can understand clearly by tomorrow. LR of 0 color collection, problem, SLR person, SLR of 1 grammar, shift reduce, LR of 0 parse table, go to operation, algorithm, already we have discussed it today. LR parse table, this is about today's session. That's all for today. We will discuss these all tables. Don't get hurried. What is this table? You don't think like that. I tell you all these problems tomorrow class. This is only introduction part of LR parsing. That's all for today. We will meet tomorrow.